Hari Om children. Today in mathematics let us start the new chapter, that is addition. What is addition? When we add two numbers and find the total of it, it is called as addition. For example, let us take a number 4 plus 5. So when we add these two numbers and when we total it, it is called as addition. 4 plus 5. What is 4 plus 5? 4 in our mind and 5 in our finger. After 4, it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is 4 plus 5? It is 9. How to add it? 4 in our mind and 5 in our finger. So what comes after 4? It is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the answer. All these things you have learnt already in first standard. You know to add the numbers, add it on number line, adding it on abacus. All these things you have learnt it. So have you understood what is addition? Yes. So in these two numbers, can you see here? We have added 4 and then 5 and we have got the answer as 9. So these two numbers, the numbers which we have added, that is 4 and 5, these two numbers are called as addends. What are they called? Addends. Understood, children? So the two numbers what we are adding over here, that is 4 and 5, these two numbers are called as addends. And the answer what we have got here, what is the answer here? 9. So the answer what we have got here, it is called as sum. Understood, children? So the two numbers what we are adding, it is called as addends, and the answer what we'll get after adding, it is called as sum. Shall we check one more number? Let us take 6 plus 2. What is 6 plus 2? So how to add it? 6 in our mind and 2 in the, what is the number here? 2. So 2 in our finger. So what is 6 plus 2? 6 in our mind, 2 in our finger. So after 6, it is 7, 8. So what is the answer? 8 is our answer. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So all these things you have learned, no children? So in these numbers, which is the addend and which is the sum? So here, what are the two numbers which we are adding? 6 and 2. So these two numbers are addends. What are they called? Addends. And the answer, what is the answer over here? It is 8. So the answer is called as sum. The answer is called as sum. Understood, children? When we add two numbers or three numbers, the numbers which we are adding, these numbers are called as addends. And the answer what we have got, it is called as sum. Have you understood this? Have you all understood what is addend and what is sum? Yes. Now, in page number 55, they have given the exercise. Now, add with the help of number line. So, already you have learned to add the numbers on number line in first standard. Now, let us solve these problems. Look at the first one. So, have you all understood what are addends and what is sum? Yes. So, now, in page number 55, now add with the help of number line. Look at the first question. What is the question they have given? 6 plus 3. What is 6 plus 3? So here they have given the number line. So always the number line begins from where does it begin? 0. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So here what are the numbers? 6 plus 3. So we begin from 0. What is the first number? 6. So where is 6? Here. So from 0 to 6. We are going to jump from 0 to 6. Now 6 plus 3. What is the next number? 3. So 3 times we are going to count and jump. 1, 2, 3. So look at here, 6 plus 3. What is, we have to begin from 0 and we are going to jump to the number 6. After that plus 3. So from 6 we are going to jump 3 times. That is 1, 2 and 3. So what is the answer over here? The answer is 9. Have you all understood, children? Solve that in your textbook, children. 6 plus 3. So from 0 we are going to jump to 6 and then 1, 2, 3. The answer is 9. Solve it in your book, children. Have you all finished it? Yes. Okay, let us go for the second one. The second question is 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. So in the number line, it begins from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here the question is 3 plus 8. So we are going to begin from 0 and what is the first number? 3. So where is 3? We are going to jump to 3. 0 to 3 plus 8. So from 3 we are going to jump 8 times. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer here? It is 11. What is the answer? 11. So how to solve it? So 3 plus 8. First we are going to begin from 0 and we are going to jump to, what is the first number? 3. So from 3, next number is 8. So 8 times we are going to jump. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer here? It is 11. So 3 plus 8 is 11. Have you all understood it, children? Have you all understood it? So the answer is 11. So shall I write the first one? Okay. Let us go for the third one. What is the third question? It is 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. So on the number line, we are going to begin from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 8 plus 4. What is the first number? 8. So we are going to begin from 0 and jump to 8. So 0 to 8. We are going to jump over here. Okay. And then plus 4. So 4 times we are going to jump forward. So from 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 8 plus 4. So from 8, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer here? It is 12. What is the answer, children? 12. Have you understood this? Yes. Let us go for the fourth one. What is the fourth question? 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. So on the number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 5 plus 7. So 0 to, where is 5? Here. So 0 to 5 plus 7. How many times we are going to jump forward? 7 times. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the answer here again? It is 12. The answer is 12. So how to solve it? 5 plus 7. From 0 we are going to jump to 5. And then after that, how many times we are going to jump forward? 7 times. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the answer? 12 is the answer. Have you all understood, children? Adding on the number line. Okay. Now, let us learn the properties of addition. What? Properties. Properties of addition. What are the properties of addition? What are the properties of addition? Properties makes the addition easier. So if we know these properties, it makes us the addition easier. So what is the first property? So first one, see here, let us take 4 plus 5. What is 4 plus 5? So 4 in your mind and 5 in your finger. So 4, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? It is 9. Okay. So here I'll change the numbers. So these two, you know this, these two are the addends and this is the sum. So I'm going to change the order of the addends. Okay. So what is the number here? 4 plus 5. Instead of that, I'm going to make it as 5 plus 4. Okay. So look here, it is 4 plus 5. But here I have changed the order of the addends. So these two are the addends. 4 and 5 are the addends. Here the same addends I have interchanged it. So 5 plus 4 is equal to. So here 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer here? 9. So have you got the same answer here also? 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Have you got the same answer over here? Yes. This is the first property. What is the property? If we interchange the order of the addends, the sum remains the same. Whatever answer we are getting, it will be the same. Let me take another example. I'll take 3 plus 5. Okay. So let us add 3 plus 5. So what is 3 plus 5? 3 in your mind and 5 in your finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 3 plus 5 is 8. Now let us interchange these numbers. So 3 plus 5 becomes 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3? After 5, 3 numbers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 8. Have you got the same answer 8 and 8? Yes, this is the first property. So if we interchange the addends 3 and 5 as 5a plus 3, so the answer, the sum is always the same. Understood, children? So what is the first property? First property is a change in the order of the addends does not change the sum. Okay, if we change the order also, the sum remains the same. Have you all understood this? Okay, so what is the second property? So in the second property, is, let me take three numbers. Let us take 4 plus 5 plus 1. Okay. So 4 plus 5 plus 1. We are going to add three numbers over here. So what is 4 plus 5? After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So plus 1. After 5, 9, one number. It is 10. So what is the answer over here? It is 10. Now what did we do it here? So first I added these two numbers. Okay. And then added 1 for it. Here the same thing, 4 plus 5 plus 1. Now first I am going to add these two numbers first. Okay. First I am going to add these two numbers. So 5 plus 1. Okay. So what is 5 plus 1? After 5, one number, that is 6. So adding these two numbers, the answer is 6. So what is the left out number over here? 4. So 4 plus, adding these two numbers, what is the answer we got? It is 6. So 4 plus 6 now. 4 plus 6. After 4, 6 numbers. After 4 it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the answer? It is 10 again. So understood this property, children? So the change in the addends. So whether we add first two numbers and then the third number, or first we will add the last two numbers, then we are going to add the first number, the answer remains the same. Okay, this is the second property. Understood, children? In the second property, if we have three numbers, can you see here? 1, 2, 3. There are three numbers in this. So adding these three numbers, if we add first two numbers and then add the third number, or if we add last two numbers and then add the first number, the answer remains the same. There is no change in the answer. Understood, children? In the first property, if we interchange the addends, the answer is always the same. The sum is the same. In the second property, if in three numbers, if we add first two numbers and then the third number, or add last two numbers and then the first number, the answer is always the same. Have you understood this? Okay. What is the third property? What is the third property? Third property is if we add 0 to any number. That is, if we add 4 plus 0. So 0 is added to 4. So what is the answer? So it is 4. So if we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. So let me take some other example. So what is 6 plus 0? 6 plus 0 is 6. What is 10 plus 0? 10 plus 0 is 10. So have you understood this? If we add 0 to any number, the sum is the number itself. Understood, children? So this is the third property. So in the properties, what is the first property? First property is if we interchange or change the order of the addends, the sum remains the same. That is 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4. The answer is the 9. So if we interchange the addends, the answer is the same. This is the first property. What is the second property? If we are adding three numbers, so if we add first two numbers and then the third number, or if we add last two numbers and then the first number, the answer is the same. Okay, so first property, if we change the order of the addends, the answer is the same. In the second property, if we add first two numbers and then the third number, or last two numbers and then the first number, the answer is the same. And third property, when we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. So understood all the properties, children? So today I want you to practice the number line problems what we have solved, practice it and learn the properties and practice the number line addition. Hari Om, children.